And this is beautiful. Really starting with something that you love from Susan, and that is her liquid knit. So it's a liquid knit mock neck. The puffed sleeve really just refers to this little touch of pleating. It's gonna help make it look like you've got great posture, balance your silhouette, but it's really subtle, so no wonder this mock neck top is customer top rated. So it should be $53, but right now it's $36.99. We don't get any more back in stock, and I honestly do not know how long it'll stay at that clearance price, so be sure to grab it while you can. Once it's gone, it's gone. This one right here must be, is it, oh, duh, pine spice. Right, because pine is green. I'm sorry. I'm sitting here like, it's pine spice. This is gonna be the teal slate. And then we also have berry bronze. And then I do have a plum burgundy. Ooh, only about 2 dozen though, in that plum burgundy, A667482. Beth Chandler gets to be with us this whole show. Beth is part of the Susan Graver team. I mean, she lives and breathes this brand. Beth, it's so good to see you. You look phenomenal in this top.
Oh, you're so kind. Thank you. I think you look amazing. You're having a fabulous hair day, and I was very impressed with your use of the word myriad.
Oh, did I say that?
You did.
Oh.
That's a line from Heather's, by the way, that I just did. But yeah, it's the use of the word myriad.
Maybe that's where it was like back in my subconscious. Maybe later we'll play a game of croquet. Is that how it goes? Like you.
By the way, fun fact, and we're going to move on to the top, but Chandler, the reason my last name is Chandler is because of the movie's Heather's, because I just took it from that movie. It wasn't really my last name.
Fun
it's
fact.
Mine now. Fun fact.
My sister and I definitely crushed on Christian Slater in the 90s. Okay, let's talk about liquid knit, which is a fabric that many of us crush on in the world of Susan Graver, but this is like a brushed liquid knit.
Yeah, if you love Susan's liquid knit but have never tried the brushed version of liquid knit, it's just like next level. It is everything we love, so color fast, forever and ever. You throw it in the washer and dryer, nothing ever wrinkles or shrinks. You can't kill it. But instead of like the silky feel that liquid knit has, this literally has been brushed. It's like the petals of a rose is what it feels like on it. It's luxe. It adds that extra softness to liquid knit, a little bit more substance to liquid knit, a little bit more of a cozy feeling. So if you want, if you're in the polar vortex right now and you're thinking, I really want to get something home that has a little bit of extra coziness, this is what you get. But it's the same thing. Liquid knit isn't going to grab or cling anywhere. It holds color forever, so it allows Susan to do these gorgeous prints. And I think this floral is exceptional. You have lots of shades of color in here and then enough ground so that it really works. And that is front as well as back. And then, of course, that mock neck that stretches nice and wide. Just pull it over your head, and that little bit of lift at the sleeve. I don't know if you'd be willing to show this, Allie, but it's the inside of the sleeve that makes the magic. There is like a little, little fabric fan on the inside sewn in. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So it just gives that lift without like a big old pad. Not that I'm against shoulder pads. We're talking about the 80s. I'm on board with that.
But you know what? Listen, that was one thing that we kind of kicked to the wayside with the 80s that I wish we would have thought twice about, because it creates beautiful shape. And especially too, if you have a narrower shoulder frame next to your hips, it helps give you balance. If maybe your posture isn't so great, it helps give you, it almost looks like your posture's improved because of the shaping. Really nice subtle details. You will love having this top. Pine, the color that you see Blair in is plum burgundy. Blair is 5'7" and she wears the extra small. We do have extra small through 5X. So here's that plum burgundy that Blair is wearing. As you want to transition this into other seasons, you just play with the color, but these are all really seasonless prints and colors. This one right here is your teal and your slate. Oh, I love this too, even with just a great pair of jeans.
Yeah, and we have great jeans coming up in the show. The ones you're wearing are absolutely perfect with this top. And, customer top rated means so much to Susan and to me and to all of us at Team Graver. And there's that beautiful pine and spice and there's even pops of blue in there as well. So lots of different colors. I think there's a color story for everyone here. And if you've never tried Susan Graver, first of all, you're getting her signature fabric in like a new, fresh version in this brushed fabric, this brushed feel, but also get something customer top rated because you are not the guinea pig. It's already well loved. You loved it so much you went to share on QVC.com how much you loved it. So it's a great place to start or to try this incredible fabric.
Yeah, that's a good point. I mean, for $36.99, Adrienne looks phenomenal in that teal, and I love that she has it paired with an ivory pant. I think even a navy pant, a denim jean would look great, but it's $12.13 to get it home. And for pieces too that still have some nice wear through the rest of the season. I mean, this will take you into early spring. It's a beautiful floral. Oh, what's that quote from that movie? Florals for spring. How unique, right? Wasn't it in The Devil Wears Prada?
I think so. Yeah.
Unexpected. I forget how the line anyways.
Yeah.
But it is that rose petal soft. Speaking of roses, did
Yeah.
you ever see Bed of Roses with Christian Slater?
No, I didn't. Is it good?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
gotta put it on my list then.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we used to get the
Okay.
VHS from the movie store with that one. That's how old
Oh,
it is.
yes.
It's a good one. Okay, pine. We also have it in teal slate and then berry bronze. I do have plum burgundy as well to show you, a 667482, but it's really, really limited. My kids were watching the superhero movie, and one of the superheroes' parents was Christian Slater, and then I definitely felt old because I knew who the target audience was. I was like, oh, you
yeah.
put that in there for the moms. I get it.
And thank you, but ouch.
Right. I was like, okay, I see what's happening. All right, coming up in our show.